Hello and welcome to the Monday, March 9th edition of your Eastern Idaho Planning Briefing. My name's Alex and I'll take you through the briefing today. Starting off with your weather impact summary, we do expect an area of rain and snow showers to develop today, with the heaviest precipitation generally south of the Interstate 86 corridor to the Utah border and east of the I-15 corridor to the Wyoming border, and also including areas like Island Park. And this is where we expect rain and snow showers to develop today. Some have already started, but look for some continued development through the day today. And locations generally above 5,500 to 6,000 feet are expected to see mostly snow. Areas below those elevations, mostly a rain-snow mix, changing over to snow tonight. We'll show you in the forecast radar here briefly. We'll show you exactly where we expect that precipitation to be. Drier conditions will move in behind this system for Tuesday through early Friday. And then for next weekend, yet another weekend system, it does appear that an area of low pressure and a cold front will swing through the area next weekend, bringing some rain and snow showers. We'll get into those details more over the next couple of days, but for today, we'll focus on the rain and snow potential for today through tonight. First, let's take a look at the current satellite picture here this morning, showing an area of low pressure over the eastern Pacific, with some cloud cover extending from that area of low pressure north and east through Washington and Oregon state. This cloud cover here that you see over Washington and Oregon will move through today, and that is a weak area of low pressure that'll help to enhance the rain and snow showers over the southeast and eastern areas today and into tonight. Let's take a look at your weather impact overview. We've got areas that are expecting accumulating snow colored in yellow, and that includes the South Hills, Southeast Highlands, Eastern Highlands for today, and then the South Hills and Southeast Highlands tonight. So including areas such as Lava Hot Springs, Soda Springs, Fish Creek Summit today. And then for tonight, the rain and snow showers should transition more to the south and east and be focused more over the Bear Lake and the Preston areas. Also for the Sawtooth, some occasional snow showers today with generally an inch or so of snow accumulation, so some light amounts there. For the Snake Plain and eastern Magic Valley, some patchy rain and snow showers are expected, but for those areas, we don't anticipate much in the way of accumulation. After the snow showers exit the Bear Lake area Tuesday morning, we expect dry and warming conditions through the rest of the week. Here's a look at the forecast radar. We'll start off with this morning. You can see areas in blue indicating where snow is expected, areas in green indicating where rain is expected. The darker the colors, the heavier the forecast precipitation. So starting again here at 6 a.m. this morning, you can see that band of rain and snow showers that's forecasted to develop basically from Cassia County north and east through Malad, Soda, areas north of let's say eastern Caribou County, eastern Bonneville County, extending north up towards Island Park. And you can see how that progression is forecast to evolve. See, there could occasionally be some moderate snow showers in here as well this afternoon and this evening along this band. And as we mentioned, it shifts south and east to over Bear Lake tonight and exits the area Tuesday morning. We'll give it one more run through and also mention early this morning that's when the snow shower potential is highest over the central Idaho mountains from Stanley down towards Galena Summit. High temperatures today are forecast to be mostly in the 40s across the lower Snake Plain and eastern Magic Valley. Farther south and east, though, highs outside of the valleys. Notice Preston still getting into the 40s, Malad still getting into the 40s. Outside of those areas, highs only in the 30s, and of course that's where the snow potential is higher. And these areas farther north here expecting mostly snow with highs in the mid-30s from Ashton north to Island Park, mid to maybe upper 30s. For tomorrow, very similar temperatures, but you can add a couple of degrees on to these high temperatures each day through Friday. For low temperatures tomorrow morning, just about everyone getting down to freezing or below. And that should be the coldest morning of the week. Again, similar to the highs, add just a couple of degrees to these lows each day through the week. And here are those lows for Wednesday morning. Snowfall amount for this morning, we have confidence in the medium range. That's because there's some potential for that band that we showed you in the forecast radar earlier. It could be just a little bit farther north ultimately, or it could be just a little bit farther south. So the confidence in the location is medium. Confidence in amount is only medium as well, because there is the potential for lower snow levels than what is forecast should you get under one of the heavier bands. But generally 1 to 2, maybe 3 inches for the highest elevation areas this morning. Very similar amounts for this afternoon. For this evening, you can see the precipitation continuing. And then for tonight as well, which isn't in the banner, but this is the snowfall amount for tonight. Notice how it shifts south and east to include the Bear Lake Valley. And then for tomorrow morning, that's when the snow showers are forecast to be winding down, so some very minimal additional amounts. So again, the weather impact summary for today. The highest impact weather should be for mountain passes over the south and the east, with some accumulating snow likely over the Bear Lake Valley late tonight into Tuesday morning, but then dry later Tuesday through the rest of the week. Early indications pointing towards colder and unsettled conditions for next weekend as well. That'll conclude the briefing for today. As always, we welcome any comments, questions, feedback to the phone number, email address, social media accounts you see here. Otherwise, we'll see you again for Tuesday, March 10th. Thank you.